this is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to use a percussion gun. This tool can help with chronic stiffness and general aching. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. Unlike other tools like a foam roller, where you apply more pressure to make it more intense, you can't do that with a percussion gun. Since the speed of the percussion gun is set up to communicate to the nervous system that it needs to let the muscles relax, pushing down will actually slow the percussion effect for your nervous system. To really kick it up a notch, turn up the speed. Just push this button so it goes faster. The tension you are experiencing might actually be an adhesion too, and that affects the fascia specifically. To resolve that, you want to get a massage, stretch, or foam roll before using the percussion gun. To use this tool correctly, start with the muscle belly and hang out there for a minute or two, and then move to the muscle attachments. Avoid going over joints with this tool. And repeat until the muscle lets go or you have reached 15 minutes. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.